Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Kitchen. Hope you all are happy and safe at home. Today I am going to share with you a easy carrot cake recipe. Come, let's start. Take a mixer jar. At first, powder 3/4 cup sugar with 2 cloves. Keep it aside. Then beat 2 eggs in the same jar. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix it well. Add the powdered sugar and mix well. Add half cup vegetable oil and mix it well with the eggs. Now add 1 cup maida, half at a time, and mix slowly. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon corn flour and a pinch of salt. To adjust the consistency, I am adding 1 tablespoon warm milk. As we are preparing the cake in a mixer jar, we must be careful. Do not mix more than 10 seconds after adding each ingredient. Take 1 cup grated carrot and some dry fruits. Coat them well with the maida. You can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of maida. See the consistency of our batter. Add the carrot and dry fruits to the batter and mix gently with a spoon. Take a desired shape mold, grease and dust it with maida. Transfer the batter to the mold. Decorate it with some cashews and raisins. Tap well to remove the air bubbles. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. After 45 minutes, check it with a skewer. If it comes out clearly, the cake is fully baked. Let it cool down and then demold. Our super soft, tasty and spongy carrot cake is ready to serve now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.